Mount Fyffe today. Pretty nice track so far, all 4x4 all the way up, and it's just behind here, and then we're going to drop down somewhere down there and then follow that valley all the way back to the car. Like a plan. That's Mount Fyffe nearly conquered, man. Just up there. Over there. Kaikoura, and from the top of Mount Fyffe summit. Meters. That's nothing too brutal really. Just a nice steady solid climb. Looking at can't unlock my watch. There we go. 2 hours, 2.5 hours to the summit. 8.9 kilometres, 14:35 climb. Nice. Yeah, baby, running with lights. Up and over that and home. You beauty. Only 10k to go.